The OnePlus 6 and the Avengers are apparently coming together next month. Google will reportedly bring us more hardware very soon, and rumors continue to emerge about an HTC U12 and U12 Plus. I'm Jaime Rivera, and pre-recording is the way to go. Believe it or not, I am traveling again, and then I'll be traveling once again, but I did get you the news. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. Yes, buy one, get one free deals have begun for the brand new Galaxies S9, S9 Plus, and even the S8 active on T-Mobile. You buy one on a 24-month installment plan, and you will get $720 in credit, which allows you, obviously, the whole purpose is that you buy another phone. This is about that time, and I highly recommend any of these devices. Now, speaking of Samsung, and apparently this is a good time to get that deal that I just talked about, because if you're currently rocking a Galaxy S6 or a Galaxy S6 Edge, you're no longer getting software support. As of today, you are no longer going to get any software updates, so no Oreo. And probably the most alarming part is that apparently you won't even be getting security updates. I find that to be terrible. I mean, people that use iOS devices don't deal with that. Devices that are extremely old still get updates. And it's not that I'm trying to put over a comparison or anything, it's just, wow, not even security updates. That's really bad. Now let's move the spotlight over to Google. For those of you that are planning to buy a Google Home or a Google Home Mini, it seems that this might not be the best time. Apparently, we are getting another sort of Google Home. This one includes a display to compete against the Amazon Echo Show, because that's what companies are doing lately. They're trying to compete against each other, and definitely Amazon has the edge on this market. Whether we're getting this product at Google I/O or a separate hardware event, I don't know. I'll keep you posted as soon as we figure something out. Now, let's talk about the HTC U12 and U12 Plus. It seems that we are getting these phones around May. Somewhere around May is the possible launch date, and well, specifications are off the roof, obviously. Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, in addition to your typical amounts of RAM and storage. All that is great. The most important part are these quad cameras and the rumors, in addition to the possible change in the back design. The quad cameras, because we're going to get dual selfie cameras and then dual back cameras, and even the megapixels are variable. You can learn more details in the description. Let's see what we get in the end. And finally, the most interesting news today have to do with the OnePlus 6, hopefully. Well, the company has just teased something that has to do with Avengers Infinity War, and the launch date for that movie is April 27th. So the rumors are that we might be getting a OnePlus 6 on that date, or that there is something related, or probably we'll get a teaser of the phone, I don't know, during the movie or after. I don't know exactly what to tell you here. It seems that we have something that's related. I just, in today's question, let us know, do you think that it's good for the OnePlus 6 to launch so early? I mean, think about it. We're at least 3 months early when comparison to the launch of the OnePlus 5 last year. And the OnePlus 5T was just launched a few months ago. So I don't know if it's great for it to launch so early, but anyways, leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here, and our thoughts on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus versus the Galaxy Note 8 down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.